We know it's about sharing. We know that relationship is sharing. There are higher sharing, there are deeper sharing, there are lower sharing. But we should know the higher sharing. We should know the medium sharing. We should know the lower sharing. How do we share this thing? What is the first relationship that ever existed? Is it man and man, or man and God, or what? Between God and man. Thank you. That is the first ever relationship between God and man. Adam and God before Eve. Adam and God before Eve. So the oldest relationship among humanity is between God and man. Now let's talk about relationship with God. Let's talk about the solution. If we say relationship is sharing, what can man share with God? If God is the oldest relationship, what can man share with him? Is it money? He has it all. What can you share with God? Is it car? Is that house? What you have? The Lord is not living in that place that cement and iron, that cement and block. What can we give to God? Let me put it in another way. What can we give to God? You know, we are asking God every day. Every day we are asking the Lord, hey, Father, give me this. Hey, Lord, give me this. Hey, Father, I want this. Hey, Lord, give me this. Every time we are asking, but it's only one thing you have ever had. Give me your heart. He said, give me your heart. The truth is that God is never ever interested in the car, in the things that will give the offering, the tithes. He's not really interested in that. But he is interested in the heart that gives. When you give, he's interested in the heart that gives. That was the reason. Remember when that man came to give the offering, and then he said, Jesus said, hold on, because I want to involve in this your giving. Do you have any issue with your brother? He said, yes. He said, go and make peace with your brother. And then you come now to give me. And then I will be part of your giving. If you give it the wrong mindset, it's a problem. The thing that he is interested in our giving is the heart that gives. That's why the Lord lives in our hearts. We are the temple of the Most High God. But what part that He is living? Is it the mouth He's living? Is it in our body? He's living in the heart. He's living in our heart. He wants to live in our heart. So as we are building, now we have talked about all the negative things that have happened. If you haven't seen those episodes, go back to the videos on the page and go back and follow up so we can follow up. Because now we want to build up a godly home. We've seen all the stages of relationship. We've seen all the mistakes that we have done. We see all the abuses that is happening in a relationship. And now we want to build up a healthy home, a godly home. That's what we want to do. Give your heart to God first. Give your heart to God first. Give your heart to God. Now, how can we give God our hearts?